inside the Church of the Holy Sepulchre. So this is what I was looking for, a place to pray. I could sit here and pray, nobody around. Perfect. So I'm going to pray now. The Mount of Olives Chapel of Ascension marks the spot that Jesus ascended into the heavens, and when he told his disciples, or as the angels told the disciples, why are you still looking for him?
The book of Luke, it mentioned that Jesus ascended from Mount of Olives.
Yes.
40 days after his resurrection. Okay, near Bethany, and in the same way he go up, he will come back again. So Bethany, it's a small village. And when you look around, you can see there's many rings, hooks, and metals. Because 40 days after the Easter, the 5 different churches, they all come here to celebrate and to memorize the day of the Ascension. You can see there the Armenian altar. To the east we have the Coptic, the Syriac, and to the south we have the Greek Orthodox.
Wow.
Yeah, so that's have a nice time.
No Catholic.
No, the Catholic, they have a space here, but they don't have an altar because usually they come here alone before the others about 13 days. So usually they pray inside the dome.
Oh, I got it. And this is where Jesus prayed his last prayer before they arrested him, and he shed tears of blood when he said, Father, if possible, take this cup from me, but not my will, but yours be done. So he was anticipating going to the cross and taking the sins of mankind. He who knew no sin would become sin for the whole world. Now this is a more traditional type of church with pews. So this is Station 7, and this is where Jesus fell the second time. It's called the Gate of Judgment. The Gate of Judgment, this is called. This is Station 9, and it's where Jesus falls for the third time. And then you see the little statue of it there. But this is the tomb that many believe it was Joseph of Arimathea's tomb. I'm gonna go inside. It's going to be dark. So this is inside the garden tomb right now. It's pretty amazing in the world. He was buried in a tomb that was for Joseph of Arimathea, whether it was here or in the Holy Sepulchre. He rose again to defeat sin and death once and for all, and he brings me with him to the Father's house. Hello. Hi, how are you? I'm assuming that that is the stone, or a symbol of the stone that was rolled away by the angels. So here I am taking a photograph.
Christian, everybody together, please.
Everybody.
That we believe in incarnation. Some of the gods, they take themselves as a human being,
Okay.
as their avatar.
How is this different than what I just explained to you about Christians believing in Jesus?
So these are the almost, we can say something like different. It's not that the Hinduism and Christianity is different. Christianity, what I believe is that they taken birth. Similarly, the God from the superior God, they takes birth in a condition of the avatar.
Right.
That the avatar you call the Ram, Krishna, and these are the gods. They are demigods that you can say. There is an avatar of the
demigod. Go through here. I don't know what this is. Okay, so this is the Greek Orthodox one here. And this is the Armenian. They just got a little chapel here. And then the Catholic Church has got one on the other side I was at yesterday. Somehow our group all stayed together here. We come different directions, but there's our group.
Una parte primera, lugar de nacimiento.
Good.
Podemos foto, podemos tudo.
This is the birthplace, and other side is the manger.
So this is the grotto. This is the point where they say the manger was. And of course, it's through word of mouth, like you said, tradition over the years. People believe something and they pass it on to the next person. If I can go down into this cave here. This cave is, these are basically what the shepherds had, these caves, and I guess Christians would worship in it. Maybe before they were still being persecuted near the catacombs, as it's called. Yeah, there's nothing much here to see. I guess I could walk through there, but I'm not going to. So that's like a tunnel. So, when you look at all this stuff here, you know, it's kind of amazing that it looks rough and rustic, like as if it was never touched since the time of the shepherds. And the time of Jesus' birth, pretty rough and rugged. And then, you know, you have the newer stuff built here, but overall, it's pretty amazing. Dome ceiling with all icons painted. This is gorgeous. I'm more impressed with this than the Church of Mary Magdalene, actually. Beautiful icons. So this is the Church of the Shepherds Field. It's beautiful. Jesus the King. King Jesus. This looks amazing. Mammoth doors. So I'm out of here now. That was quite an experience. Beautiful church. Magnificent church.